nftXc isn't just another token, it's the fuel for a real ecosystem. nftXc powers NFT-TradingCards.biz, bringing athletes, musicians, influencers, and fans into Web3. It's a utility coin, governance, staking, rewards, and payments all tied into our marketplace for digital collectibles. And this is just the start. The next level of functionality will introduce AI-enhanced coding, immersive video cards, multi-card uploads, card packs, two-sided and multi-sided formats, and social-style commenting features. Creators will have new ways to engage and monetize, while collectors experience NFTs as interactive and dynamic as today's leading social platforms. Be part of it. Fair launch November 11th through 14th on Pink Sale.